Similar to its December 2021 rejection of a WisdomTrees spot Bitcoin investment vehicle, the SEC cited concerns about fraud and market manipulation. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has disapproved of a rule change that would allow exchange-traded fund ETF provider WisdomTree to list and trade shares of a Bitcoin ETF. According to an October 11 filing, the SEC rejected a proposed rule change that would have allowed WisdomTree to list and trade shares of its Bitcoin trust on the CBOE BZX exchange after several delays due to extensions and comment periods. WisdomTree first filed the spot Bitcoin ETF application on January 25, with publication in the Federal Register on February 14. The SEC said any rule change in favor of approving the ETF would not be designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices nor protect investors and the public interest. Will Peck, WisdomTree's head of digital assets, told Cointelegraph in a September interview that the SEC's market manipulation claims would likely be the hardest nut to crack in an ETF approval. Peck said at the time that WisdomTree was kind of watching this and seeing what's going to happen, but did not plan to take Grayscale's approach in filing a lawsuit with the SEC over the rejection of its Bitcoin ETF. He added the company planned to engage more productively with the U.S. regulator, positing the SEC would ultimately get there in approving a spot crypto investment vehicle. Similar to its December 2021 rejection of a WisdomTree spot Bitcoin ETF offering, the SEC concluded that the BZX exchange did not have the ability to obtain information necessary to detect, investigate, and deter fraud and market manipulation, as well as violations of exchange rules and applicable federal securities laws and rules. In addition, the financial regulator said BZX had been unable to provide data demonstrating that wash trading and other possible sources of fraud and manipulation in the broader Bitcoin spot market will be ignored by market participants. BZX has not met its burden of demonstrating an adequate basis in the record for the Commission to find that the proposal is consistent with Exchange Act Section 6(b) 5, 225 and, accordingly, the Commission must disapprove the proposal, said the filing. To date, the SEC has not approved a single spot crypto ETF application in the United States, despite criticism from many lawmakers, regulators, and industry leaders. However, the regulator began approving ETFs linked to Bitcoin futures starting in 2021, giving the green light to companies including ProShares and Valkyrie.